Hello everyone. Today our topic is NAND gate and NOR gate. Previously we were study about the three gates, that is AND gate, OR gate and the NOT gate. Now the today topic is NAND gate. What is NAND gate? These are the further gates which are included in the CSA. So this gate is also known as universal gate. What is the definition of these gates? If you know about the AND gate and NOT gate, then you can do the NAND gate. Otherwise, you have to study first NAND and NOT gate. So the definition is combination of AND gate and NOT gate is known as NAND gate. What is NAND? NAND, the full form of the NAND, N stand for NOT and AND is the AND gate. So this is a combination of two gates, that is AND and NOT gate. So the truth table is here. You know that in NAND gate the expression between the variables, that is dot, that is multiply. So here is the diagram. In diagram there are two diagrams. You can draw only one from these. The first diagram shows the first A, B are the two inputs which are given to the AND gate, and A dot B is the output generated by the AND gate, and the further A dot B is work as the input given to the NOT gate, and it gives output in the form of A dot B bar or A dot B complement. So the other diagram is where A, B are the inputs, and in the front of the right hand side there is small zero type. So here 0 is represent as the NOT gate. So the output becomes A dot B bar. So the truth table is truth table is having four columns, that is A, B, A dot B and A dot B bar. So first of all, first three column is same as the AND gate. If you know about the AND gate, you can draw easily. So here are the two inputs A and B. First one is 0, 0. So the output is 0. Other is 0, 1. The output is 0. Then the third one is 1, 0. The output is 0. And the last one is 1, 1. The output is 1. Because 1 into 1 equal to 1. So the last and the fourth column is A dot B bar. How it comes? The complement. Complement is what? Complement is the opposite of the given signal. If you give 0, the output is 1. If you give 1, the output is 0. So here is the result. A dot B complement. A dot B 0, it converts into 1. Then second 0, it converts into 1. Third is 0, it converts into 1, and the fourth one is 1, it converts into 0. So here is a second gate, that is NOR gate. This gate is also known as universal gate. First of all, you know about the OR gate. If you know about the OR gate and NOT gate, it is very easy for those students who know about the OR gate and the NOT gate. OR gate, what is OR gate? OR gate is just sum of the two given inputs, okay, and the NOT gate is opposite to the given input. So the definition is the combination of OR gate and NOT gate is known as NOR gate. NOR gate, the full form of the NOR gate is N stand for NOT and OR is OR gate. The combination of two gates, that is NOT and OR, and it becomes the NOT gate. So here is a diagram. In diagram, A and B are the two inputs. It gives output A plus B. Okay. Then other is A plus B is behaves as a input for the NOT gate. NOT gate. Now the output becomes A plus B bar. So there is another diagram for the NOR gate in which these are the two inputs A and B, and it gives directly output, that is A plus B bar, or you can say A plus B complement. Here is a truth table. In truth table, the given two inputs, that is A and B, it works on the expression a plus b, plus is a sum. So you know that these gates are working on the binary signal, that is 0 and 1, not 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it only works on the binary signal. So the given input 0 0, it becomes 0, 0 plus 0 0. Then the second is 0 1, it becomes 1. Then the third one is 1 0, it becomes 1, 1 plus 0 1. Then the last one is 1 1, and it gives 1, not 2, because it works on the binary signal, so it gives output only 1. Then the fourth column is a plus b bar. How it works? A plus b का complement. Okay, a plus b complement. So a plus b, the first value of a plus b is 0, the complement is 1. Then second is 1, the output is 0. The third one is 1, the output is 0. The fourth one is 1 and the output is 0, because the complement works on the opposite. Thank you.